Say hi ladies, hi ladies. Okay, so today we're going to be doing our 4-month update. Yes we are. We are very happy today, but we're a little bit teethy, so we'll see how the video goes. Yeah. Let's hold this. You can give it a little chew. So, oh yes please. Oh, I like that. Get that in my mouth. Yum 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 yum. Okay, so I'm going to be covering all the things going on with Olivia today. So she is 4 months old and we are doing very well. We are, as you can see, currently teething. We have 2 teeth at the bottom and they are currently trying to come through together. Not quite sure why we decided to have 2 come through at the same time, but never mind. So she's been okay with it. The reason her cheek is pink is because I've just fed her, so she's been cuddling me and falling asleep whilst having her milks because she's just got up from a nap and now we are full of milk, so we're doing well. This little outfit, by the way, is a 3 to 6 month top and leggings. It's got a little bunny on it. I think the lavender colour really suits her. You're purple, babe. Yeah, look, why's your nose pink? Because you rubbed it on me when you were nursing. So we are still breastfeeding on demand. It's normally every 2 hours, and during the... Oh, we dropped it. Let's look at Freddy Firefly instead. So it's every 2 hours during the day, and then she goes a little bit longer at night. She loves crunchy toys like this. They really seem to appeal to her. These are the LeMay's toys. She's got a couple of these. She's got a butterfly one and a dragonfly one. Isn't it cute? We have not yet currently started solids. We are just kind of... Oh, that's gone on the floor as well. So we currently haven't started solids yet because we don't really seem interested, do we? She's interested in like what we're eating. Oh, good baps. She's interested in what we're eating, but not to the point where, you know, she would put something in her mouth. So I don't really know. She's interested in, you know, stuff that we eat. Maybe she's not ready yet. She can't sit up by herself. And I believe the recommendation now in the UK is for 6 months doing baby-led weaning. So we're not quite sure what we're going to do, but we do love mummy's milk. So we're just going to carry on as we are for the minute. So yeah, at the moment, we are super teethy. She doesn't really seem to get that upset by it. She just loves to chew stuff like this. And she started doing this new kind of like screamy excitedness, especially when she sees daddy for the first time after he gets home from work. We are encouraging her to do tummy time, which she likes, for a very short period of time, and then she's like not having any of it anymore and she shouts. But she's got really good head control. What's she looking at? Whenever we film these videos, you're always looking over there. She's got really good head control. We are now in size 3 nappies, thank goodness, because my favourite nappies are the Pampers Baby Dry, and they don't do them in size 1 or 2 because they're the newborn range. But now we are in the Baby Dry and they are very good. She's very nosy. She looks around everywhere all the time, and sometimes it stops her from napping because she's just so busy looking around everywhere. She has rubbed off the back of her hair, which is so sad. As you can see, it's all gone and it's looking a little bit balding on top. Look! You rubbed all your hair off! She is so smiley all the time. That's one of the things that she's always been. Are you going to smile? Are you going to smile? You're always so smiley. We are very lucky with her. She is very good. She'll just sit there quite happily playing with her toys. She's trying to sit up. She like does these like little crunches almost, like she's trying to sit up and get her tummy muscles working, which is really sweet. Hello. Oh, we're just spreading vomit everywhere. Hang on. Oh, this one's got puppies on it. This is very cute. Let's just wipe that away. Oh, you want to chew that as well? Okay. So thanks to her tongue tie division, which happened quite a few weeks ago now, if not a few months ago, she is nursing a lot better. So she will feed for around 5 to 10 minutes every 2 hours during the day, and then she goes a lot longer at night, which is very good. The newest thing probably to us at the moment is kind of like a stranger danger type thing. So she will sit on someone's lap, and then if she's not feeling it, she'll just cry. she will be so sad and they will feel awful. But it's just kind of, I think it's her like awareness. She's just so obsessed with Mummy and Daddy and Harry and Charlie that if it's anyone different, she's like, oh, it's quite funny and sad. Yeah, that's a super little update. I hope you did enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to us for free to follow more videos like this. And we'll see you in our next video. So bye, ladies. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.